trade a late model vehicle in on maybe a classic or a sports car here at Unique, especially in classics, and that's the story on this one. 2009 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, the white diamond tri-coat cashmere interior in this one, powered by a 6.2 liter V8 paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Just a tad over 109,000 miles on this one. Let you take a good look at the grille, front fascia, headlights. As you can see, shows well up front here. The paint, considering age and miles, definitely nice shape, and that is probably because this vehicle spent the majority of its miles in Texas. It's not been driven in inclement weather. And check out the underside pictures. You're going to see what I'm talking about. That check out the underside of the hood, and we're going to start this up, let you check out the engine bay here before this video is over. But still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on 22-inch chrome wheels, Vogue tires, as you can see, running board. Both sides, of course, and take a look down this vehicle. Look how straight this thing is. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches in the door. Of course, being a southern vehicle, don't have the corrosion, bubbling, anything starting like that. Down below, take a look in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides of the doors. Here's your interior. Again, cashmere, leather interior, of course, buckets up front, navigation system, dual climate control, of course, all your amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heated seats, entertainment system. Loaded up like you'd expect an Escalade to be. Rear parking assist, of course, the receivers behind the cover in the center on the rear. And I mentioned trade-ins. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And we can also assist with transportation. Of course, the power rear hatch, backup camera here. Power hatch is working. This particular one also has a sunroof. The rear seat's actually folded up there. And of course, another button here to push if you want it to come back down. Rear hatch, working order. Sunroof, working order. We'll get around to the interior, let you check out the radio system, that navigation. Once again, still pictures. Probably 80, 90 still pictures of this vehicle online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And look up and down the driver's side of this also. Again, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Tell this is a well taken care of, well maintained vehicle, no doubt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second row, which would be bucket seats, 7-passenger seating. You would have secondary controls for the fan and heated seats there, as you can see. Mentioned entertainment system, fold down screen. See the rear vent. Second and third row seating. WeatherTech mats. First and second row. And of course, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, adjustable pedals, power tilt, steering wheel controls for cruise, your phone, stereo. Now we do show a little wear on this driver's side. I want to point this out. We do have a little wear from getting in and out. Other seats, not as much, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I popped that sunroof open. That works in both positions, sliding straight all the way back and being completely open or vented. Controls for that, of course, up on the roof console there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See how it runs. Check out the exact miles. All right, there's your exact miles. Like I said, a little over 109, 109, 398. And as you can see, no warning indicators, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Stereo system, of course, this would have XM capabilities. Dual climate control, center console. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Not cracked. faded, sun-baked, anything like that. Not all in good shape. And you can take a look at this passenger seat. Again, not showing as much wear as the drivers. Just wanted to point that out on the drivers. All right. We're going to go ahead and slip around to the rear of this vehicle. Pop the hood too so we can check out that engine bay. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Lighting all working. Sounds like you'd expect. 6.2 liter to sound. Stock. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna pause this a second, make it easier to get this hood open, and we'll take a look.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's one of the things, if you watched our videos before in the late model stuff, when it's a Southern vehicle, take a look at that hood liner. You can tell it's not been driven in inclement weather. See how clean that is. And then take a look at the engine bay, lack of corrosion, anything like that. Listen how smooth that thing runs too. Good powertrain. So what you'd expect underneath there also, 6.2 liter. Again, paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. 2009 Cadillac Escalade SUV all-wheel drive. Riding on those 22-inch rims with Vogue tires. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.